Food history was found on 1.8 million years ago for both plants and animals. Grains found on 16,000.00 BC. The first function food the body is to provide energy growth and regulation. Needs energy to sustain the involuntary processes essential for continuance of life, to carry out professional, household and recreational activities and to do work. Food is to regulate activities of the body. It includes regulation of such varied activities as beating of the heart, maintenance of the body temperature, muscle contraction, control of water balance, clotting of blood, removal of waste products from the body. Follow food consist of cereals -10% moisture and remaining carbohydrates and protein. Legumes -10% moisture and remaining carbohydrates and protein. Meat and eggs -75. Vegetable and fruits 90. Oil and sugar no moisture contains more calories. Carbohydrates, starch found in cereals and rice, wheat and sugar in sugarcane and fruits are examples of carbohydrates in foods. The chief function of carbohydrates is to provide energy needed by our body. Fats, oils found in coconut seeds, butter from milk, and from meat, are examples of fats found in foods. Fats are concentrated sources of energy, carriers of fat-soluble vitamins and a source of essential fatty acids. If excess fats are taken in the diet, these are stored as fat reserves in the body. Energy taken in excess of body needs is stored as fat in the body. Please subscribe the channel.